Learning German for Beginners, Understanding the Modal Verb möchten. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we'll dive into the intricacies of the modal verb möchten. Let's explore its position in a sentence, its usage, conjugations, and wrap up with the practical exercise. Objectives. Our objectives for this lesson include understanding the position of the modal verb möchten in a sentence, exploring its usage, and mastering its conjugations. Stay tuned for a hands-on exercise to solidify your grasp of this essential German verb. Position of möchten in a sentence. Modal verbs like möchten stand in the second position in a sentence. Conjugation of möchten occurs, replacing the other verb, which stands at the sentence's end. Example, ich möchte einen Kaffee trinken, I would like to drink coffee. Handling questions. In questions, möchten retains its second position, with the other verb at the sentence's end. Exception, in a yes-no question, ja nein Frage, the modal verb may start the sentence. Example, Möchtest du einen Kaffee trinken? Would you like to drink coffee? Special cases. In some cases, using möchten alone conveys the sentence's meaning. Example, ich möchte Cola, I would like cola. Contexts for using möchten. The primary contexts for employing the verb möchten include expressing wishes, placing orders, and making purchases. Expressing wishes. Example, ich möchte ein Buch lesen, I would like to read a book. Placing orders. Example, ich möchte ein Pizza bestellen, I would like to order a pizza. Making purchases. Example, ich möchte die Schuhe kaufen, I would like to buy the shoes. Conjugations of möchten. Let's practice the conjugations for möchten. Ich möchte, I would like. Dumptest you would like. Sie esmt, he she it would like. Wormpten would like. Irmtet you would like plural. Siemten they would like. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. Now, let us die Arkwintwale. Fill in the blank schwitch möchten. 1. Chinenka fitrink. Answer. Ich möchte einenka fitrink. 2. Du einen Hamburger. Answer. Du möchtest einen Hamburger. 3. Were in Skanagen. Answer. Were möchten in Skanagen. 4. Hast du ein Buch lesen? Answer. Hast du Lust, ein Buch zu lesen? 5. I reine Pizza Bessel. Answer. Möchtet I reine Pizza Bessel. Conclusion. Congratulations sync möchten, Ingerman. If you found this show, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning content. Feel free fidro dronsi tresquensquask. Happy learning.